Hi folks, Michael Hickman here. I want to talk about one of the vendors that I've been using for a long time, and it just hit me as I walked into my home this afternoon. And my home was built in 1997. When we bought the home in 2003, having white carpet, we thought, oh boy, this is going to be, we'll be replacing that soon because with two kids in the house and a dog, we'll just have to replace the carpet. And it's 2018 and we haven't replaced the carpet. And although we could do some remodeling and certainly maybe change the color, we just don't need to because we've been using CitruSolution carpet cleaning now for years, and it amazes me that the carpet has not been degraded by cleaning, and it stays clean. And when we do have a little mess up or something from a party, we have the spot cleaner that we can use to take care of that until we can have the next cleaning. And I know what the price is going to be because there's no funny business on that. And it's just so nice these days, especially today's election day, and you hear all the stuff with people talking about all kinds of just not truths and whatnot. It's so nice and refreshing to deal with a vendor that I can call. I know who I'm talking to. You're going to get good people going to come in. They're going to put towels down on the floor so they don't make a mess when they come in. They're not going to leave your floors all soggy and wet and soapy and whatnot. And they're just going to do a good job and charge you a fair price and be honest. And it's so refreshing to have that. So if you need your carpets cleaned, call CitruSolution, Google them, find the right person around you. It's CitruSolution, CitruSolution, all in one word, carpet cleaning, and they'll take care of you. So I hope that helps. Thanks.